Welcome to Lily Grace Food Channel. Today we will make quinoa salad and firecracker salmon bites. First, let's cook our quinoa. We have here, Jan, put 1 cup of quinoa. Put 1 cup of quinoa. Okay. And according to package instructions, 1 cup of quinoa with 2 cups of water. Hold on. Okay, put the water. 1, 2. Okay. And now we will cook for 15 minutes. So this quinoa is pre-washed already, so no need to wash according to package instructions. So it is here written in the instructions. It's pre-washed and 2 cups of water for 1 cup of quinoa. You can put water or broth.
Okay, look.
So this is our quinoa. We will bring to a boil for 15 minutes in a medium heat. Now our quinoa is boiling. We'll simmer it for 15 minutes. Now I will cover it. Now let's make our simple marinade for our firecracker salmon. First, Jan, put the sugar. Brown sugar, 1/4 cup. 3 tablespoons of olive oil. What is 3 tablespoons. 1. Now our
olive oil,
soy sauce, 3 tablespoons.
1, 2, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce,
And balsamic vinegar, 3 tablespoons. Mix. And we have 700 grams of Atlantic salmon fillet. Now let's cut our Atlantic salmon. Now let's see our quinoa. I want to put a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Perfect blend seasoning. Mix. And now our quinoa is cooked. Now I want to add 1 clove garlic. I just want to grate the garlic.
salmon.
Now let's cut our salmon.
Cut it, then I.
Be, mama will do kay. This is dangerous. Okay? Maybe you will let's cut the salmon into cubes. We will put some of the marinade on top of our salmon firecracker salmon bites later.
Chop in the salmon.
Okay, babe, put the salmon there. Put the salmon, dali.
Okay.
Mix, mix, mix. And we will marinate for 30 minutes. I want to put my marinated salmon bites in our air fryer. Here is our salmon. We will put in our air fryer for 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. We will wait for 20 minutes so that our salmon will cook. Now let's look our salmon bites. Ooh, look at that.
Wow.
Let's cut our veggies for our quinoa salad and firecracker salmon. I will use half of yellow bell pepper, half of orange bell pepper, 10 pieces of cherry tomatoes, half of cucumber, and 1 avocado. Now let's cut.
All our veggies.
Our cucumber, next our avocado,
Oh wow. We'll just cut it like that.
let's cut our tomatoes, let's assemble our quinoa salad with firecracker salmon bites. First, let's put our quinoa. I want to put my veggies all over. Next, our yellow bell pepper. Next, our cucumber. Next, our tomatoes. Our salmon. Avocado.
March, January, February, March.
Last, let's put our sauce from our firecracker salmon.
August and
And now mix, mix, mix. Feta cheese on top. Let's put it in a plate.
Small, mercury, hot.
Now it's time for the taste test for our quinoa salad with firecracker salmon. Let's taste everything. And our salmon. Okay. It balances everything. Guys, it's really a good combination. There's a tangy. It's flavorful and it's delicious. Please don't forget to like,
Share and subscribe.
thank you for
Watching. See you on our next videos. Thank you guys. Bye. Speedy Diddy. Addy.
Thank you everyone.